Okay, I'm going to demonstrate for you how you're going to create your optical illusion today. You have your piece of paper. It's 5 by 7. We're going to fold it in half. This is a book fold or hamburger fold, either one. And we're just doing this so that we have this fold as a guideline for when we get to steps 3 and 4. So once I have my paper folded, I am going to draw from 4 to 6 wavy lines from the top of my paper down to the bottom of my paper. They do not have to be really close together. It's actually easier if they are not close together. Give yourself a little bit of space. I'm going to go ahead and probably stop with 4. And those 4 lines have created 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces. All right, so now I am going to start drawing some curved lines down here. So I'm starting here, the bottom half of my paper under the fold. And in this section, I'm going to use a curved line that is like a U or a smile. And I'm going to just fill this space here with that curved line. Okay. I'm going to skip this section, go to the next one. Do the same thing. See that? And then I'm going to skip this section. Skip this section. Go to this section. Do those curved lines. All right. So in these 2 sections, I'm going to do curved lines as well, but I'm going to curve them in the opposite direction. They do not have to match up with the lines here at all. Once you have your lines drawn, you're going to flip your paper over and continue to draw those curved lines the same direction that they were on the other half of your paper. When you finished your lines, it's time to add color. You want to pick a pair of complementary colors. I am going for red and green here. On the outside edges, you are going to color dark. You're going to ease up on the pressure to color the middle area a lighter color. It's going to show that shadow. You can use a darker shade of red in this instance to make it a little bit darker, or you can just go back and color in using a little bit more pressure. Do not color across your lines like I just did here. That is messy and it does not meet that expectation or help with that illusion that we are trying to create. We are trying to make these spaces look like they are round, like we have either rolls on a piece of paper or on fabric, or that we have some little worms here. You can do a checkerboard pattern if you would prefer to do that instead of doing columns and alternating the colors there like I have done. However, you want to make sure that you are on the outside edge making it darker by using more pressure and making it lighter on the inside by using a lighter pressure. Try to blend that in so it's a smooth transition between light and dark. Do not color in each of your sections a solid color because it will take away from that illusion that we are trying to create, where these are rounded spaces, not flat spaces. Here is the other alternative for an optical illusion that you can use. You're going to fold your paper twice, draw an X, draw a plus sign, and then go in and just like you did on the other option, you're going to create curved lines. And then you're going to pick your complementary color that you want to use, and you are going to start coloring them in using that shading, dark to light, to create that optical illusion, to make this look like it is popping